I like mine with lettuce and tomato, Heinz 57 and French fried potato.
Cheeseburger in Paradise. Everyone knows this song. It was written by Jimmy Buffett about what you can tell in the song is an amazing hamburger experience. That's actually not true. He didn't write the song based on a great burger that he had. The true story, which Jimmy Buffett has told many times, was that he was on his sailboat and somehow they broke the mainsail and they drifted for days in the Caribbean with no food. They were all hallucinating about what they considered to be the perfect cheeseburger. And so honestly, Cheeseburger in Paradise is really about a hallucination of the perfect burger. What happened was, though, the ship ended up limping into Tortola Bay. When they got to Tortola, they found a bar at the end of the dock that made them cheeseburgers, and they were all overcooked and burnt. So it's really, the real Cheeseburger in Paradise was a burnt burger from Tortola Bay.